Sunset! Troville Beach. Oh, yan, sunset. Woo! Very colorful. Tingnan nyo yung water, it went down already. A while ago, until here. But now, settled down, calm, very calm beach, sea. Ayan, dito kami nag-camping, camping. So later we go. Oh, tanungin ko, kinuha nung anak mo, sabi ko, kuhanin ko.